So well, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. A very, very big thank you to 1,000 subscribers. Wow. So, woo, yes. I'm gonna sweep that all by myself, by the way. A very big thank you to 1,000 subscribers. It's been over a year. I think I started this channel last year, July, around July or June. I'm not sure the exact date. I'm gonna put the exact date in on the header. My first video was just hello, welcome to my channel, and I think that was just it. So 1 year later, 1 year and some months later, September 1st. September 1st, I guess. But this is September 1st was September 2nd. 1K subscribers. I know from here, the channel starts growing rapidly and spontaneously, better than before. At least I have a growing audience. So with this, I promised my WhatsApp contacts that I'm going to give a free baking class to 5 people if I get to 1,000 subscribers. So yes, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to work on the design, and it's going to be a free baking class, but then I'm just going to put a price tag. Why am I putting a price tag? Because I'm giving you the knowledge for free, but you have to just like come with your equipment. But then it's going to be a generic class, so I'm just going to put a subsidized price, and the price is just to filter those that are serious or not. So I think around 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira is about $30 or less. Imagine $30 for a 5 days class. That's like free of charge. So yeah, I'm grateful. I'm thankful. Thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers. I'm quite tired of this country though. I'm wanting to leave. So if you guys have any short for me, I'll be very, very happy to accept and keen to it. In Nigeria, around this time, elections around the corner. This September 2021 or 2020 rather. Elections around the corner. We'll be having our elections in less than 4 months or 5 months time. So there's a lot of tension everywhere. There's no money everywhere. Everybody's busy running hater skater. Yaba. So yeah, basically that's just it. And I promise to give you guys more videos, more quality videos. I'll be as frequent as I can. I'm trying to keep the space of twice a week, Saturdays by 12 p.m. Nigeria time and Sundays by 12 p.m. Nigeria time. I've been trying to keep up for quite some time. That's me easy though. Then in between the weeks, I just try and release 1 or 2 shots to just entertain you guys. And although the shots are not my videos, but then just you might not have seen it, but then yeah, basically that's just it. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I hope we do this again with I think 100 of this for 100,000 subscribers. Then when we get to 1 million, we'll do it with 1,000 of this. Is it 1,000 of this? Yes, 1,000 of this. So please guys, get me to 100,000 subscribers. If you've seen this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment to be more appreciated. What do you want the channel to be? I'm talking about food reviews, restaurant reviews at the long run, anything eat, anything spicy at the long run. I'm going to be visiting cities. I'm just so grateful. So thank you and have a great one. Peace.